Hi, so today I'm getting this issue, so this black issue. I don't know why everything is black over here. So I have found a solution. So first you have to close the project. You have to open your config. Now in the config, you have to open up the default engine ini. I will open it with Notepad++. Okay. After open that, search for support sky atmosphere affects height fog. This one. Okay, no worries. I will type this one in the comment section. So this one. So as you can see, this is false right now. So we have to put it true. TRU. Yeah, true, and save the project. Close this one, save this one. Now close this one. Okay, now we have to relaunch the project. Okay, boom, it's fixed. As you can see, it's a pretty easy fix. So if I create a new level, open world, you see, it's fixed.